What up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Paul and I go by R&B with the keys. And today I'm going to be making a beat. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Spotify. I'd very much appreciate it. Let's get into it. Okay, let's begin. I started with the piano keys as usual. I pretty much built a routine doing this because it helps me write melodies and clearly hear the chords. Once I'm hearing what I like, in this case a chord progression, I start flipping through presets until I find the vibe I'm feeling that day. After flipping through sounds, this is the part I probably hate most in producing. I ended up really liking the Saw Synth preset from Flex that I found called Cheddar Believe. I tweaked the cutoff and detuned it a smidge, then recorded it. Question for you, what's the one thing you hate when it comes to music production? Leave a comment. Had to adjust some of the individual notes and just align the chords with the grid. This is not something that you have to do. I just choose to do it. I like everything being on grid, and sometimes it's off grid. Just depends on the occasion. After laying down my initial chords, I decided to then layer the chords with another sound. I eventually found the sound you hear, and I came up with chords that are higher in frequency but still match the bass chords. Now I'm making some adjustments to the notes in the chords I played to better glue the sounds together. Here I'm searching for more sounds and I don't know what I'm looking for exactly. It's a hit or miss at this point, but I end up finding this pad and I thought it would sound great for the intro of the song. At this point, I wasn't sure what I wanted to add, but eventually I landed on a guitar preset. I didn't expect to go this direction, but after playing a few melodies, I really liked how groovy it sounded, so I couldn't resist. I just loved the vibe. If you haven't noticed, I'm not much of a piano player, but I'm able to record enough to then make the adjustments I need in the piano roll. Don't be afraid to make music if you can't play an instrument. Learn a little music theory and use your ears. Now I'm putting together a drum pattern, starting off with hats, then adding the rest of the elements. I won't be going too deep into how I made the drum pattern, but I will mention that I selected samples that sound like live drums because it felt more suitable for the song. once I have something going, I'm bouncing back and forth through my samples and placing them where necessary in the piano roll. I tend to spend more time creating a good groove. This way, the pattern sounds organic, as if a real drummer is playing. Okay, so now I'm like, yo, let's get this bass line going. I really started feeling it, and yeah, I look like an idiot. But anyways, I flipped through some presets and found a slap bass, again in Flex, and went to town. Laid down a nice little groove. Once I was done recording, I went back and I adjusted the MIDI, tweak. Boom. Thought that sounded great. And yeah. Okay, well that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I didn't expect the beat to come out so well. I think it sounds great. And I'm planning to go even harder on my next one. Thanks again for joining. Have a great rest of your day.